Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a profile picture in the Dropbox app using your phone. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just want to personalize your account, this guide will walk you through the entire process easily and clearly. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the account icon. Then, on your account page, tap on the edit icon near your profile. After that, choose from Gallery option that lets you select an image from your phone. Now browse through your gallery and locate the photo you want to use. Once you find it, press and hold the picture briefly until you see an option to select it. Finally, tap the Select button at the top of the screen. Your new profile picture will be uploaded and updated automatically within your Dropbox account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture in the Dropbox app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.